Inside Out peels back emotion itself, revealing how memories color mood through a child's vibrant inner world. The film uses color coding, shifting soundtracks, and personified feelings to show how joy, sadness, and fear collaborate to guide choices. A pivotal scene shifts when Riley confronts loss, turning sadness into a bridge rather than a barrier, a subtle rebalancing. As islands of memory crumble and reform, the film suggests identity is built from mutable experiences instead of fixed traits. Viewed this way, Inside Out becomes a guide to embracing all feelings as tools for growth rather than enemies.